Can you change your body, your height, whatever it is, a part of your body? Can you change a part of your body using the law of attraction? Well, I've got some good news and I've got some bad news. Let's go. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Kai Valentine coming at you with an updated video from my previous one. I think if I remember, I'll put it up here. If not, just look up Kai Valentine, Change Your Body Physically. And today I'm going to be doing an updated version of that. I've obtained more information not only from books and audiobooks and study, but also from you guys and feedback that I've gotten. But before we get to that, if you're new here, please consider subscribing and essentially caressing that like button. It helps me out so much. And comment down below any questions you might have, any progress that you've made using the law of attraction. Help other people out, and by hitting that like button, you are raising your vibration because I said so. No, I'm kidding. So I have some good news and I have some bad news. The good news is a lot shorter than the bad news, so I think I'll start with the good news. Yes, I still believe you can change your body with the law of attraction. I especially think you can lose body fat using the law of attraction. Now, this can be science-based and this can be spiritually based. Of course, no one can give you proof that it is spiritually based, but personally, I do believe that if you ask God for help, that God will help you. He will open doors for you that you can walk right through, and boom, fat loss. However, when it comes to body height, when it comes to genitalia and chest muscles and biceps, this is where it gets a little more difficult to say. I do believe you can, okay? And I'm gonna, there's no science to this, right? I believe you can. I believe that you can change your body with the law of attraction. But, I don't even know where to start with this. There is some bad news. If you cannot change your body with the law of attraction, let's say you can't, then by watching my previous video, you have really screwed yourself. With that previous video, I don't think people were listening as well as I would have wished. I thought I did a very good job of explaining that the importance is not changing your body to some image that you see in your head, but being happy with yourself. That was the biggest takeaway. And if you believe that what I'm saying right now doesn't matter, then this channel is not for you. I would never tell you not to be happy with yourself and to use the law of attraction to make yourself this vision that you have in your head. No. That is not what I mean. There is a difference also with being happy with yourself and wanting to improve. If you are overweight and you want to lose weight, there is no problem, feeling a little like, hey, I need to do this for my kids, for my family, and for myself. Now, when you are upset about your height and it's really affecting you in life, and you watch my previous video and you're like, oh, Kai Valentine said all I gotta do is think about it and I will grow 6 inches, I will grow a foot. I don't think you listened to the video as well. Or maybe I didn't explain it properly. The huge takeaway is you need to be happy with yourself. Let's say the law of attraction does work. The law of attraction does work to increase your height, or to do anything with your body. You have to be 100% genuinely happy with yourself. The law of attraction doesn't work any other way. If you're not already happy with what you have, you're spitting in God's face and saying, no, I want to be 6 inches taller. It doesn't work that way. No one's going to give you anything that you want. Now you may be asking, well, Kai, how can I grow 6 inches if I'm no longer visualizing myself this way and I'm already happy with who I am? Exactly. Why do you need to grow 6 inches? And I know you hate to hear that. I completely understand. But if you're going to gain those 6 inches, you have to feel that you're 6 inches taller. There's no problem visualizing yourself at this height. There's no problem with that. But as long as you're happy with who you are, you need to feel 6 inches taller. Let's say you never gain those 6 inches. Well, you need to walk the walk. You need to walk around like you're 6 inches taller. You need to speak as though you are a confident 6 inch taller person. And that's not coming from you actually thinking you're 6 feet tall or 6 inches taller or 6 feet tall, whatever it is that you want. It's coming from you just love yourself so much. You feel good about yourself. This was such a problem, and I was telling my girlfriend, like, I feel really bad about releasing that video. I don't think people got the message, and I had her rewatch it, and she said, yeah, the message is there, but maybe you should make a video that's more aggressive on the fact that you have to be happy with who you are. Not this false sense of happiness like, oh, I'm so happy that I am 6 feet tall. No, it's not gonna work. In fact, you're gonna make things worse. You're going to make things way worse. You're going to do this for a couple weeks where, you have this false sense of self-confidence, and you see yourself as 6 feet taller, 6 inches taller, and then you're gonna crash and you're gonna feel like crap. You're gonna give up on positive thinking. You're gonna give up on the law of attraction. You're gonna give up on your goals. That is the scariest thing you can do. As soon as you stop visualizing your goals, as soon as you stop having increased self-confidence, this is when you do that downward spiral, and it will happen. Now, how do you know if you are genuinely happy with yourself? Well, I'm gonna give you a bad sign. If you're commenting on videos asking me how to gain certain feet, I've had people ask me how they can change their gender. Something's wrong. If you're asking me how to do something and you've watched the previous video and you've watched this video, you're not listening. And I don't mean to be harsh, but I'm not gonna be like other channels and tell you what you wanna hear. I refuse. I would rather this channel go to 0 subscribers than tell you what you want to hear. I want to tell you what you don't want to hear, but hopefully for some people it will get into their minds and they'll understand that it's all about being happy for who you are, being confident with what you have, being confident with what God gave you. Imagine imagine you're a warrior, right? You're a gladiator and they give you a sword and it's not as big as you wanted. You're going into this Coliseum, you're like, no, I don't want it, screw it. You're gonna be killed. I know it's a weird idea, that's that's just how my imagination works. But the point of the story is, if you do want to try to use the law of attraction to change your body, and I personally think you do, or I personally think you can, but I hate saying that because I really believe people are just going to hear what they want to hear. It's like, oh, Kai said it, vision board. That's me, 6 feet taller, not gonna be happy until I'm there, but I'll fake being happy until I'm there. You're gonna lose, and you're gonna fail, and you're gonna fail hard. And then in 6 months, you're gonna try it all over again. You're gonna watch both of these videos and say, oh, Kai said I can gain 6 inches, boom, vision board. No, it's not like that. What I want you to take away from this video, and I'm gonna keep repeating it, is you have to be happy with yourself. And there are things you can do. I'm going to be creating affirmations on self-confidence and, loving who you are. And as lame as it sounds, it's true. So again, the takeaway from this video is, yes, I believe you can change your appearance. I believe you can change, your height with the law of attraction. But to me, it's a spiritual thing. To me, even if it's not real, I feel like I'm 6 feet tall. I'm not 6 feet tall. When I started the journey of law of attraction, I was 5'6", now I'm 5'8". I'm still not very tall. I am like average, maybe a little bit below average, but no one notices. I have 5'4" friends who are extremely confident and I don't even see their height. We are having amazing conversations. I don't see his height. In fact, I'm surprised when they tell me how tall they are because it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. And if it does matter to someone else how tall you are, whoop, or whoop, 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 push them out of your freaking life. That's a horrible person. If your value is based on how you look, it's based on how tall you are to that person, I'm just gonna say it, they're a bad person. They're toxic. Get rid of them. But I do want to say this, if you are overweight and you have a family, you have a responsibility to lose that body fat. Not saying lose weight, I'm saying lose body fat. You need to do cardio, and I'm not saying running. You need to walk. Just walk 5,000 to 10,000 steps. Get a tracker. That is important. Staying healthy is important. Eating a good nutrition is important. The funny thing is, I think this video is going to lose subscribers, and that's fine. That's completely fine with me. But I had to get this off my chest. This is supposed to be a 5-minute video, but you can tell I had a lot of repressed upsetness and feelings towards this, because I'm telling you, on a daily basis, I get questions on how people can gain this height and they didn't listen to the video. It's all about loving yourself, forgetting that you want this increase in height, and that's how you will gain it. If you do it all, it doesn't even matter, right? And that's the trickiest part of the law of attraction. I know it's difficult, very difficult. You're not going to get it the first day, but keep coming back. Keep fighting for genuine self-confidence, genuine self-love. And a good place to start is to write 5 things each and every day of things you love about yourself. It can be the same things. Maybe one day you'll come up with a new reason that you love yourself. Guys, please, I'm considering taking down the previous video. I don't think it's doing what I wanted it to do, and I'm not an aggressive person when it comes to videos. I'm not, extremely angry. It's hard to explain. I'm usually a lot more funny in videos. I'm a lot more bubbly in videos. This meant a lot to me. I have to get this off my chest. You need to be happy with who you are. You need to be happy where you are in life, but not satisfied with your body fat or with your diet. You can always be improving, and I'm not saying get body images. I'm telling you to get to a healthy weight and to build muscle and to try your best to improve your physique and your body and your heart health as much as possible. There's nothing wrong with this. You should visualize yourself as a healthier version. But it's when you get into the toxic ideas of, I'll never be happy until I'm this tall, that's when you're gonna lose. If this did not make sense, I highly recommend rewatching this. And the whole video honestly could be summed up with, be happy with yourself. So comment down below, I am so happy and grateful now that I love myself. And just keep saying that throughout the day. Look for things constantly, for things that you love about yourself, and look for ways you can improve, because we can always improve. And if that just means a tiny bit of improvement each day, well, that crap just grows and grows and grows. And it has this compound effect. This is how you get successful. This is how you find love. And this is how you start having true happiness in your life. I hope this helped. I do not mean to bring people down. I want to bring people up. And I'm not the tallest person. Again, I'm not. And I've been upset about my height at some point, but that was a long time ago. And now I'm extremely happy with my height. No one has ever made fun of me for it. Not like they used to, because I don't see myself as that way. And when I don't see myself as that way, and I see myself as this extremely confident person, genuinely confident, genuinely happy, genuinely funny, genuinely smart, genuinely engaging in conversation, people don't see it. And if they do see it, they're a bad person. They're a toxic person. Run as far away as you can. Sorry this video took so long. If you enjoy videos like this, remember to hit that subscribe button, sensually caress that like button. Sorry this wasn't the funniest video, but it's something I had to get off my chest. And I feel so much better because, again, I don't care about the subscriber rate or the like rate. As long as I stay true to myself and I tell you my honest opinion, I make these videos based on my values and how I have this net of values that I push all my content through. That matters to me. That is how I am genuinely happy. If I wanted to make money, I would tell you what you wanted to hear. It's not against the law for me to lie to you, but I'm not going to. And if that means I won't make money off this YouTube channel, if that means I won't be as huge as other people, fine. I don't care. All I care about is you. I care about you getting the right message, and I care about you loving yourself, because I love you, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video.
Trusting my heart like it's Yu-Gi-Oh! Spending all night at the studio. Got me fucked up, you assume me slow. Killing the game cause he knew to go. I don't want nothing to do with you, thinking just winning is all about who